Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Dream Lavasana Aspire to Achieve. In today's CSAT series, we are going to discuss previous year questions based on the percentage. But before starting our video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe it and share with your friends too. Now, coming to our first question. This question was asked by UPSC in 2017. In a city, 12% households earn less than 30,000 per year. It is given 12% are earning less than 30k rupees per year and 6% households earn more than rupees 2 lakh per year. 6% households are earning more than 2 lakh per year, while 22% households earn more than 1 lakh per year. 6% are earning more than 2 lakh per year and 22% households earn more than 1 lakh per year. So these 6% will also be included in the 22% households. So as 22% households earn more than 1 lakh per year and these 6% are above 2 lakh, it means they are automatically in the category of above 1 lakh. So remaining 22 minus 6 means 16% are earning more than 1 lakh per year. Now the question is saying 990 households earn between rupees 30,000 and rupees 1 lakh per year. 990 households are earning between 30k and 1 lakh per year. So the question is saying how many households earn between rupees 1 lakh and 2 lakh per year. कितने ऐसे हाउस हैं जो एक साल में 1 लाख से लेकर 2 लाख रुपए तक कमा रहे हैं, तो वो है 16%. एंड नाउ we have to find out the number of families. Now adding all these three, 12 plus 6 plus 16, we will get 34%, and the 990 households will comprise of 100 minus 34, that is 66%. Now we will find how many families are coming in 1%. So divide 990 by 66, we will get 15 families are coming in 1%, and we have to calculate 16% families, those who are earning between rupees 1 lakh and 16 lakh per year. So 15 into 16 will give us 240. So option B is the correct answer. I hope you got it. Now coming to our second question. This question was asked by UPSC in 2018, and the question is a student has to get 40% marks to pass in an examination. Passing marks in any examination are 40% of total, and the question is saying suppose he gets 30 marks and fails by 30 marks. He is getting 30 marks in the test and fails by 30 marks. So the passing marks will be 30 plus 30. It means 60. The 40% marks is equals to 60. Then what are the maximum marks in the examination? The question is asking about maximum marks. 40% is 60. So 80% will be 120 and 100% will be 150. इसमें ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस उसको डबल कर दो और हाफ कर दो तो 150 आ जाएगा. And option C is the correct answer. Coming to our next question. This question was asked by UPSC in 2019, and the question is A and B are two heavy steel blocks. This is block A and this is block B. If B is placed on the top of A, the weight increases by 60%. Let us assume that weight of A is 100 kg, and when B is placed on this, then the weight will be increased by 60%. So weight of B is 60 kg and the total weight is 160 kg. How much weight will reduce with respect to total weight of A and B if B is removed from top of A? If B is removed from top of A, then 60 kg weight will be reduced out of 160. And question is asking this in percentage. So on solving this, we will get 37.5% weight will be reduced, and option D is the right answer. Now coming to our next question. This was also asked by UPSC in 2019. When a runner was crossing 12 km mark, she was informed that she had completed only 80% of the race. Means 4 parts of the race are completed by her in 12 km marks, means 20%, 20%, 20% and 20. And these 4 comprises of 12 km, means 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. So the next part will also be of 3 km, and that is 20%, and she will complete her race. How many kilometer was supposed to run in this event? She is supposed to run 15 km. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. By calculating all these, adding, we will get 15 km. Now coming to our next question. This question was also asked by UPSC in 2019. Raju has 9,000 with him and he wants to buy a mobile handset. राजू के पास 9,000 रुपए है और वो एक मोबाइल खरीदना चाहता है. But he finds that he has only 75% of the amount required to buy the handset. Raju has 9,000 rupees and these 9,000 is equals to 75% of the cost of the mobile. So the cost of the mobile is 12,000. And now he borrows rupees 2,000 from a friend. So now Raju has 2,000 more rupees when he borrow from his friend. So he has total amount is 11,000 and the cost of mobile is 12,000. So now coming to options. A. Raju still does not have enough amount to buy handset. This is the correct option. Raju has 11,000 rupees and the cost of mobile is 12,000 rupees. So it is clear he does not have enough amount to buy handset. Now coming to our next question. This question was also asked by UPSC in 2019. All members of a club went to Mumbai and stayed in a hotel. On the first day, 80% went for shopping and 50% went for sightseeing, whereas 10% took rest in the hotel. जो लोग थक गए थे उन्होंने होटल में आराम किया, जो कि 10% थे. And 80% people went for shopping and 50% went for sightseeing. So we have to find how many people go to both, that is shopping and sightseeing. So 90% people are going outside and 10% are taking rest. 80% went for shopping, 50% went for sightseeing, and common people, let suppose that were X. Now on solving this, we will get common people, those who went for shopping and sightseeing both, are 40%. Now coming to our question, which of the following conclusions can be drawn from the above data? Number first, 40% members went only for shopping as well as sightseeing. Yes, we have just solved this. 40% members went for shopping as well as sightseeing. So the first conclusion can be drawn. Second, 20% members went only for shopping. 80% members go for shopping and 40% go for both. So remaining 40% go for only shopping. And here question is saying 20%. So this cannot be drawn. So option A is the only right answer. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends too. Keep studying, stay blessed. Have a good day ahead.